आमी सगळे वियाजीक म्हूण आयलेले पूण ती वियाज आवचेतूच आमची थांबली. पूण आमकां देवान सोडूंक ना. आतां फुडली वियाज आमची देवान उक्ती केल्या. ती जावन आसा आमची घरची वाट, आमकां घरा पावोवपाची. Thanks to Royal Caribbean International, all the executive committee, frontliners of Anthem of the Sea, which is about to sail to India, Goa, with all the Indian crew members. On behalf of all the Indian crew members, I thank wholeheartedly Royal Caribbean International. Thank you so much and hope we will be back. Hi everybody, it's about the update of Royal Caribbean International Anthem of the Sea, which is heading towards India with the Indian crew members. We sailed from Miami on 9th of May. From there we did a stop in Coco Cay, that is the Royal Caribbean International Island in Bahamas, to pick more crew members. From there we headed towards Labadie, that is also a private island of Royal Caribbean in Haiti. After doing sail of 2 days, we are about to reach Barbados. From here we will be picking up more crew members and heading towards Gibraltar, that is in Europe. We will be at sea for the next 8 days. Hope we get calm sea, beautiful ocean. God is always with us.